We're sharing some Taonga at school today. Taonga are special things that we love and are precious. Look at all the special things we've brought in to share.
Today I've bought my bunny and I got it for Easter like a long time ago when I was like 1 or 2.
This is my cuddly, and it's special to me because I slept with it every night as a baby and a toddler. He made me feel safe. I've also brought in my medals I've got.
Today I've bought a special keychain medal thing, and I got it from my yaya in Tasmania. The mountain on it is called Kunyani.
And these are my sunglasses and I love them. I love my sunglasses. And this is my Indian laugh and I love it. This is my favorite piece of gold, and it has these little holes inside so you can feel it, and it feels really inspiring to touch. This is my most precious taonga. Taonga is treasure in Maori, and it's a very special carved bone that my mum gave me.
My taonga is my Samoa necklace. I got it from Samoa because my cousins bought it for me. I know it's not in, but it's for lucky. I also bought my bubble and blankie. I sleep with my bubble blankie at night. I had it since I was born and a baby, and I had it for 6 years now.